Amy. Amy, up here. Your meeting's not going very well, is it? I understand. Hybrid meetings can be challenging. Never fear, the narrator's here. I'll make you a hybrid hero yet. Quick, click on Plus Apps in the Webex meeting room and select Lucidspark from the list. Well done! Press Start Brainstorming to log in or sign up for a free account. From your documents list, you can create a new board or open one you've already made. We need to get your team involved and fast. Click on Plus New Board to get started and then select Open Together to bring everybody in. Now that everyone's here, you can collaborate like this or click the Expand button to make the board pop out for additional workspace. Access all the collaborative features you know and love right in your Webex meeting room. Let the brainstorming begin! Brilliant! Your team's involved and you've come up with some amazing ideas. How will you choose just one? Ah, very clever. Congratulations, you're now a true hybrid team. No more boring meetings, all right? Ignite your ideas and make collaboration fun again with Lucidspark and Webex. Until next time, hybrid heroes.